Yeah. And obviously, you want to plan strategically when it comes to time of year,
Yeah.
especially if you're open to a bunch of different options. Because I think in this scenario, we're kind of working under the impression that you don't necessarily have an idea. Like, for example, when I travel, more often than not, I know exactly where I want to go, right? I'm like, I want to go to this place, but if I want to go to, say, Mexico, I'm going to try to pick a time of year that is strategic. If I have that ability to say, okay, my dream place is the Czech Republic, right? I could go at Christmas time because of the Christmas markets, or I could go in the spring because it's really beautiful in the spring. It's all about strategery. But if you're like, okay, I have 1 week, I don't have a place that I want to go necessarily, but it's in March.
Mm,
What's nice in March?
right.
Okay, there are some places that are pretty gross in March. There are pretty places that you could go to that would be lovely. So it's like you really want to be strategic if you can. For example, I couldn't be strategic about one of my trips to Belgium because I went for the purpose of being there for my nephew being born.
Right.
And he was born in January. That's like the grossest time of year to travel to a lot of places. And so being in Belgium in January, it was rainy, it was gross. But again, I had a purpose for going there. It was not a vacation. When you're on vacation, you're thinking strategically, season. Think about season. Think about travel time.
Mm,
Is the travel time going to eat into my vacation if I only have 5 days? I don't want to spend day 1 and day 5 traveling because then I only get a short amount of time. So finding something closer to home, maybe. And as well as we talked about, what's the ease of getting around in this situation? If you have limited time, obviously shorter flights are going to be the win.
yeah. Those are all great tips.